Guys, feast your eyes on this Swedish bombshell. What a beauty, huh? The red and white tank with the chrome side panels and the VMX brand new white fenders. It's been given a full frame up restoration. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Looks like it just came out of the box 50 years ago in 1976. Starting with that front wheel, if you zoom in, you'll see that's a brand new Akront aluminum rim. Still have the sticker on it. New spokes. The hub was vapor blasted, painted, and restored. The front brakes were redone. The front fork lowers were refinished and rebuilt with new seals, new oil, new rubber sliders, and a brand new set of chrome upper forks tubes that are absolutely gorgeous. The triple clamps were restored. Frame was beautifully restored, and some serious attention to detail, including putting the original warning label on the steering stem as it came from the factory. All the graphics on the bike is new. Every painted surface is professionally repainted. All the plastics are brand new. The tank is beautifully restored, as is the seat with new foam and a new seat cover. The original shocks are restored cosmetically and look to be in excellent condition. The front tire is brand new. The rear tire is new. The rear rim is also a matching brand new Akront wheel, fully restored with the new rim, spokes, wheel bearings, vapor blasted and painted the hub, along with new rear brake shoes, a brand new rear sprocket, and a brand new chain. All of the running gear, the original pegs, the factory shifter, the original brake lever are all in mint condition. The factory brake stay arm is perfectly straight, as is the chain guide and chain tensioner. The original factory engine case guard is still in mint shape. A lot of times the chain would come off if they were abused and tear this all apart. This never happened. It looks beautiful. The original engine case covers are beautiful. No broken fins. And the original factory exhaust is in excellent condition with no damage visible on it on the bottom here. It's beautifully refinished in the original factory shade of black. The frame was painted the factory silver. And as I said, the red, white, and black combo with the silver wheels and chrome forks and chrome tanks with match to that period correct set of brand new chrome handlebars really gives it a striking silhouette. All of the controls are new grips, new bars, new levers, new kill switch, new clutch cable, throttle cable, and brake cable. And it has the shorty levers on it, 2-finger levers. So gas cap looks brand new. All the hardware on the bike is in new or like new condition. The original made in Sweden factory air box is in beautiful shape, and it has the beautiful red paint job on that made in Sweden tank there. So if you have any questions about this beauty, give us a call at 860-454-7024. This is the finest 76 Husky 250 we've ever had through the shop. It's beautifully restored and ready to display in your private museum, or leave it here at the New England Motorcycle Museum, where it's right at home if you like. And it's an investment quality classic. 50 is half a century old, and it's going up in value daily. Thanks for watching. God bless America.